Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to show you a 2016 Western Star factory built glider kit day cab today. It was built with a 14-liter pre-emission, 14-liter factory reman Detroit, 550 horsepower, 13 speed. Nice little day cab. It's only got 157,000 original miles. Gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by. Show you what all this truck is. Let's get started. Fire's right up. No lights on. No check engine lights. Good low side oil pressure. Pressure pops up there just nicely. Get your cruise on the side of the shifter there. Floor's nice and clean. Nobody's drilled into the dash here. Everything's intact there. Western Star built a nice roomy cab for the inside. Got new steers. Factory reman label. Engine's really clean, no oil leaks. Really no blow by either. Fantastic condition as far as that goes. You are going to have some periodic rust around the front, around some bolt areas. Nothing major on the frame, but it did come from up north, so it's not been through detail, so it's going to show little signs of that. Love the dual stack, stainless breathers look. This is a shorter wheelbase as well. Only damage on the body or paint is the spot right here on the driver's fender. Originally a 235 inch wheelbase. Previous owner had it shortened. They didn't cut the frame in the middle, but they rolled the axles forward. This does have a split tank for your wet kit as well. See where the old holes were before they rolled the axles forward. Really good brakes as well. This one's not been through detail. You know, if it got cleaned up on the frame, I think that would clean up really nice actually. It's got outside aluminum, it's a slider. Great work truck overall. If you need it or need something else that we've got, you can reach out to me, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.